this is a light strip from a company called WOBANE, and as always I will stick a link in the video description for you to go and check it out. It costs around about £16 to buy, so it's not too expensive. So with that, let's get the unboxing done. Not a big box, but then it should be nicely wrapped. So have a quick look around the box. So it's a 5-metre multicolour strip kit, and we will be testing it out in a short bit. Colourful lighting for the home. WOBANE LED strip light kit. 4096 colours, dimmable, timing, RF remote. Hopefully it's got a remote anyway. So it's 18 watts colour RGB, that's the model. 21 key RF remote control adapter. Indoor use only. Do not use it outdoors. It will not work properly. It will get broken. So let's see what's inside for your money. So a mains adapter. Hopefully it's a good one. Your RGB strips with some stickies. Looking at that. What else we got? Some instructions. And remote control and a connection for your mains. So that goes into there, that connects to that. Yeah, should be quite easy. Let's get her out, have a quick look. So yeah, 5 meters of cable, perfect for where I'm going to be placing them. I do like my RGB, so hopefully it's really good. Looking at it, I can't see any issues, but we haven't unwrapped it yet. Hopefully it's good. So with that, I'll plug her in and see what she looks like. Yeah, it worked really well. Easy to use. Select your modes, just goes through different modes. Yeah, pretty good. Can't see any issues. So what I'm going to do, I am actually going to set it up somewhere. So with that, we are going to run it from there all the way along to there. So with that, going. I thought this was 5 metres long, it's actually 6 metres long, so I'm a metre short. So I'm going to have to buy another one. But apart from that, it's bloody brilliant. Everything seemed to be working fine, no issues, it was easy to put up. I relocated the cable. First of all, I was going to run it down there and I thought, well, you can see the cable doesn't look very nice. So I moved it behind the blinds and I wasn't sure if the remote would pick up the sensor, but it does. I'll turn it off, and I'm pointing it that way, look, pointing it that way, it's off, turn it on, off, on, so it works. Yeah. So yeah, very pleased with it. For the amount of money you're paying for it, I think it's well worth the money. It definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I like it.